Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan. We're recording this late today. What time is it? I think it's like 9 right now. But I told y'all we're gonna get this video out today, so we're gonna get it out today. What we're discussing again is these are dropping tomorrow. A lot of people are very excited for these. What we got is the Travis Scott Fragment 2.0s. As y'all can see, we got the box, everything right here. As you guys can see, barcode, all that. If you're able to take a good look, this is size 9. This is your boy's size right here. We might keep this pair. I don't know. You guys see how the drop goes tomorrow, right? And today we're going to be discussing this pair early, in hand, box, all that, and just really what they look like. So I hope you guys will enjoy the review right here. If you guys do want more content like this, then go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget the normal goal that we always shoot for is 300 likes. So if you could do that, that'd be great. If not, no worries. Just really let me know how y'all are feeling about the Fragment 2.0s. If this is a sneaker you're going for, what you think about them, and again, just let me know your thoughts in the comments. You can also check out the Whatnot lives down below. We're definitely going to try and run a pair of these soon. Again, I don't know what size, but stay tuned. We'll definitely try and get one of these to run there. And the IGs, don't forget, if you need one of these, 7.5 through 9, 11.5, and 10.5, hit me up. If y'all need them, let me know. They're expensive, but hit me up if you need them. And we got tons of other stuff for sale on the IG story as well. And thank y'all for the support in the Whatnot live today as well. It went crazy, so thank you guys. But I hope y'all will enjoy. And again, let's get into reviewing the Fragment 2.0. Such a slick pair in hand. Very, very nice. And again, my IGs, all that, in the pinned comment. Let's go. All right, so taking a look, the first thing we'll look at right here is the box. So let me grab the sneakers right here. I will set those right here for a moment. Just for a moment, right? We'll set the shoes right there. So taking a look at the box, you guys can see we got the sleeve right here. This is pretty normal. We saw this on the last Travis Scott Fragment collaboration, so nothing too out of the ordinary for the box. You guys can see the size tag right there as well. You can see your boy got his size, so happy about that. We'll see what we end up doing with them, right? But taking a look at this pair right here, as you guys can see what we got with this sneaker. So first thing to really look at, I'm gonna set the box down for a second, but the first thing to look at, oh, and shout out my cat too. Here's a photo of her. She's actually chilling with us. Let me take a photo of her. As y'all can see, she's actually chilling with us while we do this review right now, so shout out Luna. I'm gonna get her some new food and stuff in a moment, but y'all can see what we got right here back by the heel. You guys can see the Cactus Jack logo right there, along with Fragment's logo there by the heel. You can also see some other unique details right here on the heel as well. Look at that Air Jordan embroidery. Oh my gosh, man. They did a great job right there on the heel, and that blue is just hitting so nicely with that white Cactus Jack logo. I don't know what it is, but that blue and white just hits so nicely together, especially with that kind of cream look on the midsole right there by the heel, and then just all throughout the sneaker. This makes for such a nice pair. And you guys can see, look at that swoosh, man. Hey, again, you really cannot go wrong with these. You also have multiple extra lace options. Keep in mind, take a look. So those are all the extra laces you got. You got a cream pair, a blue pair, which matches the swoosh, and again, what we got back here by the heel, and then a pink pair. The pink pair I think would actually look fire with these. I don't know. That's my take on it though. You guys can also see again on the toe box right there, another detail. Again, these go crazy. I love everything we got with these. Toe box, very crisp leather right there. As y'all can see, they did a great job. And just a well-made pair. I mean, look at that, man. Hey, these are nice in hand. So I'm very excited that we got our pair right here. And let me know if y'all, again, I feel like most people are going for these, but let me know if you're going to go out the way and pay resale on these. You know what I'm saying? You also have some pink insoles with these. Another reason I think the pink laces would go far with them. You have a lot of pink on the shoe. So, I mean, I just think it kind of matches with that. Also, there in the tongue tag, you guys can see that Nike Air right there. Again, that is embroidered on there right there on the tag, that blue, which matches again we've got on the inside of the sneaker a bit right here, as y'all can see. And again, back here by the heel, along with matches with what we got on the soles right here. As y'all can see, that kind of dark blue, or again that royal blue look they're going with. This Travis Scott blue, I'm just gonna call that Travis Scott blue. What they go with is kind of fragment blue, right? It's very nice. So I love what we got right here with the sneaker, the swoosh, all that matches with the box and the sneaker just overall. This is a banger pair, man. I don't think any of us are going to disagree, but this is a very nice pair right here. It's well made, and it's just easy to put on. You really can't go wrong with a pair of Jordan 1 lows as well. So I think I think they did a great job, is basically what I'm trying to say. I don't want to, trip up over my words much, but I think they did a great job with the sneaker, if I'm going to keep it real. It's very easy to wear. It's not too hard to put on, and it's just one of those ones that, again, you can see this is another classic detail right here, this portion on the heel. I know we've already shown this already, but this is what most people remember the shoe for, is again that Cactus Jack logo. Excuse me, let me slow down for a sec. And the Fragment logo right there by the heel. But aside from me speaking super fast, apologies, you also have some black laces. That's the standard option that they come with. So keep in mind, you have multiple laces, 4 different ones. You have these cream ones, you have the pink ones, you have those blue ones, which are right here, matches this. I'd actually go with these two matches the swoosh and the heel. I think this would be a fire one to go with. And then the black ones, which again are another very, very nice one. I'd probably rock them with those too. Again, there's multiple options. That's the thing. Normally I wouldn't, like with extra laces, I don't care too much, you know what I mean? But like with these, I'd actually try like these and these, or not these, sorry, these. So these two I would try. So like there's some really good options on this shoe, you know what I mean? So I'm excited with what we got with this sneaker. It's a very wearable colorway and just one of those ones again that you can put on, and it's going for some bread right now. So we'll dive into the resale prices maybe for a sec. I want to do, before we discuss resale or any of that, right? If you really just need to know where these are flipping, it's about $1,500 to $2,000 right now. Some sites are going for a bit more. Just again, go look on StockX, Travis Scott Fragment 2.0 or Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1 Low 2025. It'll show you all the prices. These are, you know what I mean, doing some numbers right now. You also have another unique detail. Almost completely forgot. Sorry, didn't mean to do that. Almost completely forgot to show this, so keep in mind that writing on the inside of the sneaker, another detail with a lot of Fragment collaboration, so you guys can see that right there. Also the Cactus Jack right there, as y'all can see, that is reflective, that kind of white look right there. So that's pretty fire. You can see it a lot on this one too. You see that writing, and again the Cactus Jack logo right there, that reflective look to it. So a very, very nice pair. Again, one of those pairs that's just very, very wearable. I like with what we got. I like what we got with this sneaker, excuse me. Again, just one of those colorways here. Let me tuck these back in so y'all can again get a good view of these all around. But just another pair that again is extremely wearable. So really like what we got again with this pair. So we'll do some B-roll shots right now, and then we'll get to the rest of the video. So why don't we do that, guys? But let me know your thoughts on this colorway. I mean, take a look at that, man. Whew. Let me get that to focus. Hold up. But yeah, I mean, just look at those, man. So very, very nice sneaker. I don't know what it's focusing on right there, but yeah, now I think it's focusing on the shoe. So just let me know how y'all feel about these, and let's get into it. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video today on the Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1 Low 2.0. So let me know your thoughts on the sneaker, and if you ended up getting a pair for retail, if you're watching this video on drop day, or if you're going to go out the way and pay resale on them. I totally understand if you've already gone out the way and pay resale, because yeah, this is just one of those pairs that, you know, most people are not going to be getting. So let me know how you guys feel about these, and if this is a sneaker, or not a sneaker, but if this is a video, you know what I mean, that y'all like in the channel, y'all want more earlier unboxings, things like this, and the hype kicks, and we got y'all, just subscribe and like down below, and let me know that this is the type of video that y'all like. And again, we're trying to 300 likes on this video. That's a normal goal we always shoot for. If you guys have any questions down below, anything like that, again, on this pair, just let me know. And you guys can check out my IGs down below, the Whatnot Lives, all that. We go live there almost every single day. And again, with the IG, we got some pics of these. We should have posted tonight if I had some time. We got them up. So again, just let me know how y'all are feeling about the Fragment Jordan 1 Low 2.0. If it ended up being a pair that you hit for retail, or if you paid resale on them, which again, there's no problem with that. Hey, your boy did it too. So just let me know how you guys are feeling about these. And again, I'll see y'all in the comments. Leave your questions, thoughts, comments, anything like that there. And again, I will catch y'all tomorrow in the next one. So let me know your thoughts on this pair, and I will see y'all then. So again, leave anything there. And oh, another detail I almost forgot to show. Again, some details on there, on the inside of the tongue tag, you know what I mean? Nothing too crazy, but is there anything else I'm forgetting? Anything else? No, I don't think there's anything else I'm forgetting, bro. I think I showed most of what there is to show with this sneaker. My favorite part's probably this, right? Or just the overall look of the shoe. But that's it. I'll catch y'all tomorrow on the next one, and I'll see y'all then. Let me know your thoughts on the shoe in the comments. Peace.